The Chemistry of E-2-hexanal by Michael Schlenk. I chose this topic to help expand my knowledge on plants because I've always favored biology. 5 fun facts about E-2-hexanal. 1. It can be used to fight bacteria such as salmonella in the foods we eat today. 2. It is said to be a very smelly chemical that can be compared to fatty cheese when it is mixed with the right ingredients. 3. If eaten, which is not recommended, it can have a fruity taste when mixed with the right substances also. 4. E-2-hexanal can be made into perfumes of various scents. 5. This chemical is not only found in flowers but also found in fruits such as apples and apricots. The chemistry of E-2-hexanal. It begins with the chemical formula of C6H10 and O. Due to it having all of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen, it becomes an aldehyde, which means that is any compound containing the subscripts of CHO, C carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. E-2-hexanal is involved with plant growth. When a plant goes through a period of high heat, the plant releases an oxidative treatment within itself. The treatment then travels to the fatty acids of the plant, and as a result, a chemical reaction occurs and begins the process of cooling the plant down, which allows it to become more tolerant to heat. E-2-hexanal on lawns. As you are smelling the freshly mowed lawn, you are also smelling the 6-carbon molecule of CIS-3-hexanol. As this molecule dies, it rapidly changes by moving the double bond to the transorientation spot, but also becoming more stable, which turns into trans-2-hexanol, which also is a synonym for E-2-hexanal. Now it is time for a recap. To recap, we will start with the 5 facts. 1. It can fight bacteria such as salmonella. 2. It can be smelly compared to fatty cheese when mixed with other substances. 3. If eaten when mixed with other substances, it may taste like fruits and veggies. 4. E-2-hexanol can be made into various perfumes and scents. 5. This chemical is not only found in flowers but also found in fruits like apples. The chemical formula is C6H10O, which makes it an aldehyde because of the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. When a plant is in high stress, it releases an oxidative treatment which travels to the fatty acids. When the two meet, it causes a reaction which allows the plant to cool down. E-2-hexanol is also a smell of a freshly mowed lawn. It forms by becoming a more stable version of CIS-3-hexanol.